That is the best clam chowder I've ever had.
Hey, can you hear me wherever you are? I'm praying to angels and wishing on stars. We'll find each other no matter how far, 'cause 5,000 miles is breaking my heart.
All right, this is probably the best place to start our Duval Street tour, right here at the world famous conch train. And right here, look what's coming in, ghost and gravestones. I show you the top 15 places, things to do in this town, but today is about that way. Duval Street, everything you gotta see on Duval Street from beginning to end. And we will be back at nighttime to show you more. Key West comes to life at nighttime. This place looks a little different at nighttime, doesn't it? All right, that's looking up, straight up Duval Street all the way. But if you do a 180, this is where it ends. Not where the chicken is, the glass bottom boat. It's also where you can do all kinds of water sports, catamarans. This is where you'll meet if you do a sunset cruise right along here. All right, this is a really cool gift store. It's right when you start out on Duval Street. Anything Key West related is in this place. I love it because they got such a variety of different things. And it's huge. Did I say make sure you look up? The architecture is spectacular. All right, the rainbow cone. That looks new since the last time I was here. Life's too short for just one flavor. I guess you mix them up. All right, this is the famous Rick's. Supposedly the best drink prices in Key West. But what I want to show you up here is this little walkway right by Dirty Harry's. You can walk back this little aisle here, and there's all kinds of bars back here, shopping. Back here is where they have like dance parties back in this bar. It's not quite open yet, still early for the night crowd, but I will be showing you this right here. All right, here we go. This apparently is the happening spot. Follow the signs to Rick's. They even got an upstairs dance club.
Gonna take the freight train down at the station, Lord. Don't care where it goes.
Oh, they got a crow's nest up top. What's this? I'll tell you one thing, this band was incredible. Have you ever heard anything like it? Apparently it's one of the top bands in the Florida Keys, in the state of Florida. And I tell you, they put it over the top. That band was incredible. Rick's, or Dirty Harry's, I think it is. This is inside of Rick's. But I tell you one thing, all these places have great entertainment. All right, this is called Take Out the Trash. It's hot out. I need something cold. All right, as we look down Duval Street, all the way down to the end is where we started, Mallory Square. I tell you, that Rick's Cafe, about halfway up to where I like to go. Cool, refreshing break. Stop at all these little places along the way. Oh yeah, this is the smallest bar in Key West, right here. Yeah, that's pretty small. There's the Harley Davidson store right on Duval Street. There's the conch shed. I always get conch fritters, but I decided to get them up at DJ's Clam Shack, and they were amazing up there. I got a whole video on that place. Make sure you're checking it out. We're at the corner of Angela and Duval Street, and right here it is, DJ Shack. Just a little shack. They sell lobster rolls, clam chowder. That is the best clam chowder I've ever had anywhere. You see me have these at the conch shack. I like these a little bit better. They're smoother inside, but a lot of conch in there. Now, as we continue on down Duval Street, if you see anything from pub crawls to tasting tours on Duval Street, make sure you're checking out our Viator page. We got highly rated tours here you can do, and it takes the thinking out of it. And also make sure you're watching our top 15 tour of things to do in Key West. A lot of those things we got in our Viator page as well. All right, I gotta show you this place. This is across on one side there's a place, it's called Duval Village. It's very close to where you start down at Mallory Square, but this place is really neat because it goes all the way back in, all these shops. And you'll see this guy here, along with his friends. Now this place, you won't be able to walk through at nighttime. Trust me, that's why I'm here during the day shooting this. This is called Pizza by the Slice, but what I like is I like how they have the arcade. But if you walk out the building, there it is. Not the trolley, Sloppy Joe's. The world famous Sloppy Joe's. I love this place. Up here's Sloppy Joe's. At night, you think there's a band playing in Sloppy Joe's? I guarantee you it is. It's getting crazy over there now. It is crowded in here right now. I don't know where they get all these bands at. Sloppy Joe's menu. All right, look for this on Duval Street. It's St. Paul's Episcopal Church. Fantastic. It's worth to walk in here and see the old architecture of Key West. Now, when you take one of these haunted tours, they're going to stop at a lot of the places that are considered haunted, including this church, Captain Tony's, Sloppy Joe's, River Street, Sweets, world famous. See what's in this place. Oh my God. If you like candy or ice cream, make sure you're checking this place out. I don't know how you would get it home because it would melt. All these candy apples. All candy, but I'm like in the bakery. Cooking it right here for you. World famous pralines. Not sure what they are. And there are shops all along Duval Street. You won't get tired of shopping. I like the name of this place. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Don't say it 3 times. All right, there it is. Matheson's. Wait till you see this place. Do you see the size of these cookies? My God, they're like 8 inches wide. And here they sell fudge as well, but I don't know what these are, but they looks like coconut cookies. If you're a cookie fiend, get in here. Check out this store. It's called King's Liquidators. I'm looking through the place and this looks like a Transformers hiding in here. Very eclectic. I tell you, you're looking for something strange in here, you're gonna find it. I just love these herrings here. And dolphins. Oh my God, they got kill ones here? This is one of my favorite candy stores. Oh man, apples. Look at those cookies. Now we're heading up to where I consider the last point on Duval. Duval will pretty much go all the way up very close to the southern point. But I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna stop because I think it stops where the action is, and it's right here. The world famous Willie T's. All this money on the ceiling. This is the bar right here at Willie T's. But they're famous for their entertainment.
Move to the country, build you a home, plant a little garden, eat a lot of peach.
They actually have a YouTube channel that you can watch their entertainment live. I love it at Willie T.
Sang her song all night long. She told me what to do. She said, blow up your TV. Throw away the paper.
You will find just about anything in Key West, I promise you. But I like what this place looks like here. Look here, this is the Strand. It's right next to the Willie T's, but it's actually a store right now. You can see a little bit of a history of this Strand. It has all kinds of stuff. If you need lotions, drinks, It's a great stop. And would it be not called a beach town if you didn't have one of these? A Margaritaville Cafe. Yes, Jimmy's played here many times. The legend right there himself. There's the bar inside. Up here's the stage. All these shirts you can get. Look at this building right on Duval Street. It's the oldest schoolhouse in Key West. Right down from that is the oldest house in Key West. All right, there's the Grand Cafe Key West. Look at this restaurant. You talk about five-star dining right along Duval Street. It's right here. One thing about Key West, the restaurants are open late into the night. Like this one over here, I see, it looks like margaritas. What's this place called? The Dirty Monkey. Look at all these machines up and down both sides. Oh, it's the flying monkeys. Captain Tony's is hopping. They're trying to get the quarters up in this fish's mouth. That's what you do here. I tell you, you got bars, restaurants, up and down this Duval Street. Oh yes, another beach town staple, Hard Rock Cafe. They got one right here on Duval Street. Tell me the Hard Rock doesn't look totally different here at nighttime. It's beautiful, isn't it? There's your ride. Going through town. Yeah, you can buy Cuban Panama hats here. There next to it's the cigar place. All right, there's the whistle bar. If you can't tell because you stand up top there and you whistle down, let's do a shot down Duval Street. You see all the colors? Fantastic. All right, this is cool. It's called Rock Lives On. I gotta show you in this store because I've never seen anything like it. Look at all this memorabilia. Rock. I just love how they put this stuff together. And I'm a Eagles fan. I would love to have this thing. This is called Penny Lane. Clint Eastwood, Tom Petty, Roy Orbison up there, Tombstone, one of my favorite movies. You're learning about me this trip. Back to the Future, but who knows this guy? Fleetwood Mac, Pulp Fiction. There's all kinds of different rooms in here. Look at that thing, Al Pacino's Scarface. Who remembers one of the most famous hockey games? Oh my God, is that Queen? All right, there's another Madison's up closer to Mallory Square with these big cookies.
Hi.
How you doing? Look at how big those are. There's music all over this town playing. Somebody playing up there, I think. Tell me this ain't how you finish the day on Duval Street, a Madison cookie. Hey, look at that cookie. That's how you finish. It's chocolate fudge, peanut butter fudge on a peanut butter cookie. I'm heading out to Mallory Square to watch this sun go down. Let's taste this. That's peanut butter overload. There goes the boats out to watch the sun go down. I gotta have another bite. That's like a 2-pound cookie. Ain't no way I'll make it back to my room if I eat all this thing. All right, it's 9:30. It's time for things to start. I love this. He's bringing out these little hot dog carts along Duval Street. That's it. I'm at the end. Mile marker 0. I can't show you anymore.
Oh